Hey everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today, we're going to cover one of the most essential outdoor skills, how to start a fire. Whether you're camping, in a survival situation, or just want to impress your friends, knowing how to start a fire is a must-have skill. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to mention safety. Always make sure you're in a safe, open area, free from dry grass, leaves, or anything that could accidentally catch fire. Keep a bucket of water or sand nearby to put out the fire if needed. And remember, never leave a fire unattended. To start a fire, you'll need 3 types of materials. Tinder. This is the small, dry stuff that catches fire easily, like dry leaves, grass, paper, or cotton balls. Kindling. These are small sticks or twigs that will catch fire from the tinder and help build the flame. Fuel wood. This is the larger wood that will keep your fire burning once it's going. There are a few ways to structure your fire, but the most popular methods are the teepee, log cabin, and lean-to. Today, we'll demonstrate the teepee method. First, place a bundle of tinder in the center of your fire pit. Next, arrange small pieces of kindling around the tinder in a teepee shape. Leave a small opening for airflow. Gradually add more layers of kindling, increasing in size as you build up the teepee. Now, it's time to light the tinder. You can use a match, lighter, or even a fire starter. Light the tinder from the bottom, allowing the flame to rise and catch the kindling. As the fire catches, gently blow on the base to give it oxygen. Remember, fire needs 3 things to thrive: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Section 5. Maintaining and extinguishing the fire. Once your fire is going strong, you can start adding larger pieces of fuel wood to keep it burning. Always keep an eye on the fire and never leave it unattended. When you're ready to put the fire out, pour water over the flames and stir the ashes until everything is cool to the touch. Make sure the fire is completely out before leaving. And there you have it, how to start a fire safely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments what other outdoor skills you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.